This winter has been very snowy and it's quite a problem getting rid of. It's the fourth time I've had to get rid of snow off the panels, but some of them are a bit difficult to reach, so I invented this, just a few minutes ago invented this new method. It's great. What you do is spray water over the solar panels, and little by little the snow starts to melt. As long as the air temperature isn't below zero and would refreeze it again. I think the temperature out here is probably about 3 degrees, so seems to be working so far. Just rig up an irrigation system and there you go. I don't know how long it's gonna melt, but most of this I've melted just by doing it by hand, but it'll be interesting to see how successful this is. Well, that's the state after 5 minutes. Seems to be working slowly. We'll see what it's like after half an hour. It's quite the winter wonderland here. Well, this is half an hour later, but you can see that it's working, but it's a bit slow. But see, it's quite, I think if the sun was out it would have been working much better, but we're in a cloud, so, but I think it's definitely worth doing, and probably it's worth doing while it's actually snowing so the snow wouldn't stick. I think I'm going to leave this here and do some more experiments. Well, that's an hour and a half later, but it's been a bit slow, but it's because the actual temperature is below freezing, I've realised. So, and the water that's coming in is only just above freezing. But after about an hour and a half, and a little bit of pushing from me with the brush, we seem to have been successful. And the sun's coming out, just the sun on its own will finish it off.